Guys, welcome back to my channel Enhancing Beauties. I'm Shaina Kohli and I'm finally back with a new makeup tutorial. So beautiful, traditional, halo green eyes. You can carry this makeup look for any occasion. Be it your be it your best friend's wedding, be it your brother's wedding, like wedding guest, and on the Diwali occasion. So I am carrying this makeup look on the Diwali occasion. And so I thought why not to share with you. It's beautiful with a hint of glitter in. So let's not waste the time and start with the tutorial. I've already moisturized with using Cetaphil and now using this Revitalising Toning Mist from Perenne Cosmetics. It's amazing. Let it to be absorbed in your skin. Next I'm using this MAC Prep and Prime like primer from MAC and massaging it into the skin. Please bear with my voice, confused to use MAC or Forever HD. I'm gonna go with Makeup Forever HD and using 3 to 4 pumps of it and dotting it all over my face and then blending it using the UT blender of Pac, which comes in this beautiful mini case. I love it. It's so cute. Yeah, it is. So it's already damped, and I'm gonna blend the foundation using this one. Guys, my face is so tired at this point because it's 3 a.m. at night, and I wanted to sleep, but I could not, as I thought that I should shoot a video for you all, which I did shoot and I could not edit it on time because I became so sick due to cold and cough, which is caused due to this very nice pollution. Okay, yes, this is the game changer. I have used this Makeup Revolution concealer this time and it's the best. It is really the dupe of Tarte Shape Tape and I don't really remember the shade name. So at this point of time, I don't even have the I think it's C5. It's Makeup Revolution shade C5. So I'll link everything in the description box below. You can go and check that out and buy for yourself. By using this angular blender which I bought from a local shop and the blender small, and I'm using this Laura Mercier setting powder to actually bake my under eyes. I'm sorry, please bear with my voice. I'm really sick. I really did not want to give voiceover, but I had to, for you all. Now, taking this Pac brush 305 and using Bahama Mama, which is my trustworthy. I love it. I'm gonna use it and contour my cheekbones to make it more sculpt and defined. This process is so boring, and as usual, you know it all. Why do we do it? And if you really want to know about these tips and tricks in detail, you can join my class. I take some self makeup class. Now taking this Pac 140 brush, which is like in triangular shape, like three sides, 3D brush, and using the pointed side to contour my nose. I'm using it to contour my nose. This is from Pac. It's the best brush to contour the nose. I love it. I really love it. Very long time I'm using this cream blush from Makeup Revolution. I really love its shade and blending it using the beauty blender as usual. Now taking this Pac 305 fluffy brush and using the powder brush blush from Kiko, I'm gonna overlay it on the cream blush to set it. Please, sorry. Next I'm using the concealer a little bit again to highlight the tip of my nose a little more. I love it highlighted and contouring a little more again. And then after using the same fluffy brush, I'm going to set all of my face where I used concealer using the Laura Mercier powder. Next time, starting off with the eyes using the same concealer as my base for the eyeshadows, I'm going to set it using the powder Laura Mercier, using a big fluffy brush for the eyes. Yeah, I'm setting it with the powder. Now I'm taking two eyeshadow palettes. I'll be taking color from them. Makeup Revolution 344 eyeshadow palettes and this Pac eyeshadow palette. Taking this lightest green color from this palette and blending it into my crease, outer corner and inner corner in circular motions. Outer corner, inner corner in circular motion. You won't be able to notice it in here. Then I'm taking the slightly darker color from the previous one. I'm gonna place it with the same brush, which is from Morphe. This is the fluffy brush from Morphe. I bought a set of Morphe brushes from the page Royalicious, and it is one of them. It doesn't have any number, so it's from Morphe. So I'm placing this in the same manner, outer corner, inner corner, and then I'm using a fluffy brush from the pack and blending my edges to get rid of any kind of harsh edges. Next, taking the small fluffy brush, which is Pac 229 brush, and it's a very small fluffy brush. Taking this dark green color from the Pac palette and placing it into the inner corner and the outer corner, a little inside or a little before than the previous one, and blending it into the crease. Now using the Pac kajal to line my lower waterline, and then I will blend it using 208 brush of Pac, which is pencil brush, and take the dark green color from the Pac palette and smoke it out. I'm using the Kiko Water eyeshadow 205, and wow, look at that. This was love. I loved it. I'm going to swatch it on my finger and then apply it in the center of my lids this way. To give it a more oomph look, I'm going to use the Stila glitters onto the same Kiko golden eyeshadow, water eyeshadow. And I love using Stila, you know. Now using my trustworthy Maybelline hyperglossy liquid eyeliner. Love, 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 love using this eyeliner. Using an angular brush from Morphe and using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pomade. I'm sorry I did not really show the kit, but I was using Anastasia Dip Pomade and yeah, doing my eyebrows. Now next I did my eye makeup off the camera, and now using MAC Oh My Darling highlighter, and I really loved it. But I love Pac more than this one, you know. That was much better than this. Love, 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 love. This is love. Huda. It's trophy vibe. I bought this nude set of Huda Beauty lip glosses from Nykaa. I love all its shades. And now it's done, you know. It's done. So I hope you liked this makeup look. And if you did so, please like, share and subscribe to my video. And if you want to learn these kind of makeup looks in personal by me, you can contact me or DM me on Instagram. It's the Shining Shaina Makeupverse at Instagram. You can DM me over there. I take personal classes, self makeup classes. Till then, I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.